Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled green garlic. First, gather about 4 to 6 fresh green garlic stalks. Begin by trimming off the root ends and any bruised or damaged sections from each stalk. Next, thinly slice the entire stalk, starting from the white bulb at the bottom and continuing all the way up to the vibrant green tops. This preparation ensures your garlic is ready for pickling and will absorb the delicious brine evenly. Now, let's create our simple yet flavorful pickling brine. In a small pot, combine 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of sea salt or kosher salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the salt crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the pot from the heat and carefully stir in 1 cup of white vinegar. Allow this brine to cool slightly before moving to the next step. With your green garlic sliced and brine prepared, it's time to assemble. Tightly pack all of your thinly sliced green garlic into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Next, carefully pour the slightly cooled pickling brine over the garlic, making sure every piece is completely submerged in the liquid. If any pieces float, gently press them down with a fork. Finally, secure the jar with a tight-fitting lid to ensure proper sealing. Your pickled green garlic is almost ready. Place the sealed jar in the refrigerator and allow it to cure for at least 1 full day. While it's ready to enjoy after 24 hours, the flavors will truly meld and deepen over several days, becoming even more delicious. This delightful pickled green garlic can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 1 month, offering a bright, tangy addition to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.